What's going on, guys? I posted a picture of this jig on Instagram and got a ton of questions on why I'm using it and what I'm doing it for. And since this is a long neck through a guitar, I needed a way to recut the peg head so that it's flat, because I couldn't actually do this on a table saw at this width, and I couldn't do it on my bandsaw, even on my joiner, it's not wide enough. So I built this quick little jig to actually clean this up with my router. So it's at about 13.5 degrees. I've got it all clamped down. And now what I can do is clean this up with my router bit and actually get this nice and flat and ready for a piece of veneer that I'm gonna glue up on top of it. What I'm gonna use is my big DeWalt router with the custom base plate. And what this allowed me to do is take this bit and just come back and forth on this and clean up this so it's nice and flat. And with the shape of this guitar and the jig that I have to make this, I just cut and routed it all out, and then this jig helps me get it all flat. Can't remember what I did in the original one that I built, but this is what I'm doing with this one. So I'm gonna show you how to use it. We're gonna just take off probably about a 1/16. I rough cut this on the bandsaw upstairs. You can see I just got it, so it's just enough. I don't have to hog off a bunch of material. And then this is all clamped down and even screwed into my table, and it's ready to go. So let's get the router set up and show you how we do this. And I built the jig because obviously I'll be building a couple more of these. So we've got this all set up. I've got screws running up into these supports. And then I've got this clamped down here, and then clamped up here for a little bit of a brace. And I've got my big fat bit, and we're just gonna clean this up. So that was quick and easy. I routed this down. I got it nice and flat right up to the line that I had drawn for the nut. So what we can do is just level this down slightly. Once I get the piece of veneer on here, it'll look perfect. So just a quick, easy jig to clean up the peg head after rough cutting it on the bandsaw. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.